Configuring your accounts, payment models, categories and budget. Go to Setup tab. The yellow cells are for your inputs, allowing you to personalize various configurations to your liking. First, let's prepare your list of accounts, such as cash and credit cards. For credit cards, consider adding cutoff and due dates as suffixes to assist with payment date entry. Next, update the payment models list, used for recurring payments and installments. Refer to the user guide document for supported syntax details. Update the expense categories list. You can add emojis as suffixes for easier recognition on the mobile web page. See the user guide document for more detailed instructions. To set up the budget, first, go to the cell next to the category column header and specify the first date of the month which you're starting to use QuickExpense. In this example, we'll enter January 1, 2025. Next, add your budgets for each month and category in the table. Ensure the amounts are entered on a whole month basis. To sort categories alphabetically, select all cells with content, excluding the row for the unspecified category. Go to Data, Sort Range, then choose Advanced Range Sorting Options. Ensure that the Data has Header Row option is unchecked. Select the column of the category as Sort by Column. Select A to Z option and click the Sort button. To keep the options on the mobile input web page streamlined, you can hide specific items from the web page by unchecking the checkboxes under Show in Web. In this example, we will uncheck Debt Reduction and Education categories. The next time you open the mobile web page, unchecked items won't be visible. This allows us to hide items irrelevant to daily expense entries. Note that all items will remain available in Google Sheets drop-down list, regardless of their Show in Web checkbox status.